Good morning, everyone. So this is how to set up Windows 11 with a local account on a brand new computer. This one's for sale. It's one of the ones that we set up for or purchase for inventory, so it is brand new. So we grab the mouse here. I know I'm trying to do it from the phone, so I'm not used to doing it this way. So we're going to turn on the mouse first. And yes. Now what I've done is I've got this with an Ethernet cord plugged in, and there's a reason for that here in a minute, and I'll show you. Yes, US, no other keyboards. Checking for updates. This is why you need the internet. It will not update, or Windows 11 will not install on a brand new computer or upgrade on it without this internet connection to start with. So this is why you need the internet to start with. Unfortunately, this takes a moment. See, now it's asking, let's create a Microsoft account. It wants to do this because you're connected to the internet and Microsoft wants to know everything about you. No. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this around a little bit, move the keyboard around, swing this around, disconnect the Ethernet cord. Because at this moment, you no longer need it. It's already got the updates it needs. Bring the keyboard back around, grab the mouse, and then, like I said, from here, there's this arrow here in the corner. See how it says, let's add a Microsoft account, and then there's this arrow. That's the arrow you click. Well, hell. I guess my wife did screw it up. Okay, so let's try this. I disconnected my Wi-Fi just to make sure to see if that maybe it picked up the Wi-Fi by accident. So you go back up here, and this is a common problem with Microsoft Windows 11, that it wants you to have a Microsoft account whenever possible. Don't do that. Let's see if they'll do it now. There we go. There's the local account. I had to disable the Wi-Fi. When you're setting these up and it asks for your Wi-Fi, don't put the Wi-Fi in. Use an Ethernet cord if at all possible. If you don't have a choice, some laptops on their keyboards will have an airplane button, and you can use that to break from your Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you have to turn the Wi-Fi off. That's just the only way to do it. So let's give this a local name. Is the keyboard not on? Huh, keyboard is not on. Hold that thought for a second. Well, that serves as a perfect reminder for the holiday season. Anything, get new batteries. Even though they provide you batteries with these things, sometimes the batteries have been sitting in these forever and they're dead. So anyways, I had to put new batteries in it. So, yep. So let's put in the name of the computer or whatever personal name you want to use. Helps if I can spell. INSPIRON. Yep. Give it a super memorable password. Passwords can be set later. That's why we don't do them on setup. There's your privacy changes. Yep. Yep. Support and protection. This is a brand new computer, so if the person who buys it from us wants to do that, they can. Checking for more updates again. And that's pretty much it. Now it will load up to Windows 11. There you go. So that's how you install a local account on a brand new Windows 11 computer. This also will probably apply for some of the updates. I think I had one person who, when it went to do their Windows 11 update, it said, do you wish to wipe and reinstall your computer? If it does that, that's how you do that also. But yeah, that's how you do a local account on Windows 11. Thought I would share that because it's going to be that kind of thing. Please use local accounts whenever possible. If you use a Microsoft account and you get locked out of it, then you have to go to another computer or phone or whatever and unlock your Microsoft account, and you don't know how to do it. The only way to fix your computer is wipe it and reinstall it. Trust me, save yourself the headache. Make a local account. Talk to you all later.